Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the residences of Terra, and this is it. A subscriber had asked us to give an update, and I'm not sure if much has changed since the last time we did a video here. What do you guys think? Can anybody remember? So this building started out as a residential complex. That's why it's called Residences of Terra. And persons had paid deposits, bought the apartments, and then the Terra group decided that they were going to change the plan and make it into hotel suites. So the persons were given refunds, and that's what they're doing now, building it out as hotel suites to be a part of the Terra Hotel. This building, I think it's supposed to be 10 floors. So they have quite a long way to go. They've literally, it's just 2 floors now. And the last time we came here, I think it was 2 floors also. I don't see any workmen on the site. The crane hasn't moved. So I don't know what's going on with it. I don't see anybody working. Okay, we're gonna go to the other side of the building. Guys, we're going to start back the drone videos this week. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like when it's finished. Very nice. And that's what it started as, residences at Terra. So I'm not sure what the name will be, but that's what it started as, a residential complex. And then now this is what's going on with the construction. And as I said, I don't see anybody working, so I'm not sure if it's on hold. I don't know what's going on. And then this is the, well, I'm assuming ZDA construction. I think that's a Chinese company. I'm going to give you guys a nice view of the finished building. This is really nice. Actually, this building, I might have made a mistake. It might be higher than 10 floors. I think this one is supposed to be 14 floors. There are so many buildings that honestly I get confused. But I'll double check it because we have a list, and or if anybody knows, but that picture looks bigger than, looks definitely taller than 10 floors. I think it's supposed to be 14 floors. We're going to walk down here. and take a look at the building from this side. Because for some reason, I don't see anybody working on this building. There you see, there are no workmen. And that's the Rogers over there under construction. That is a massive building. Okay, here we are now on this side of the building. And I don't see any sign of workmen. So it looks like this project is on hold right now. We're going to go around to the... Oh, it doesn't even make sense. I don't think... Well, this is an update on the building, but I don't think anything is going on over there. Any work. We're going to go over by the hotel itself and look at what's going on from that side, but I think we were here like 2 or 3 weeks ago and I haven't really seen any change in the building since the last time we were here. But we'll keep you guys updated. We'll come back again in 2 weeks. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Remember, we give you updates on these projects every 2 weeks. That's actually 20 South, very nice building. That is Parkhurst 1. No. Yes, that's Parkhurst 1, and that one is the Rogers, the one under construction. And there's another high-rise building over there called Genesis 28, but you can't see it from here. Alright, so that's the update on the Terra Suites. Or residences at Terra. So okay, there you can see Genesis 28. It's right in front of the Rogers, but the Rogers is going to be taller than all these buildings. You could actually put Genesis 28 on top of Parkhurst and the Rogers will be taller. That's going to be the tallest building in Jamaica when finished. For a while, until the Ascent is finished, or the Ascent reaches 21 floors. So the Rogers is going to be 20 floors and the Ascent is going to be 27 floors. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.